Who likes Mr. Goodbar?
I love Mr. Goodbar.
Dang it.
Garbage.
This is garbage amongst my Hershey's. Okay. So recently, I took part in a game of Whizzle is a Fizzle, or White Elephant for the Big Izzle. And after taking part of said game, I did receive the most the most amazing gift in the world.
Control.
No. A Nerf shotgun.
Double barrel.
Double barrel. As you can clearly see. You're looking down the barrel right there. Wait. Oh, there, wait. There we go. Fact is, when you have a double barrel Nerf gun,
It's hard to talk.
you can say all sorts of stuff. Like, I do declare. And I reckon. And y'all.
I said.
Well, you can say it like that. Like, y'all. Best reckon I do declare. You can just be like, BAM!
You broke your desk.
How would you feel if I walked in here and
Did you have your fingers in the barrel?
Yes! It's just the power of the double Nerf shotgun. Oh, and so you have an easy reload system. Those cartridges just pop out for you, so that way you'll lose them. Unlike all realistic guns, it's got ammo in the butt. It sounds kind of weird. That's how you cock it. I do declare, this is the best white elephant gift in the world. Just lick my